Hey, Joey, answer the phone.
Hi, Uncle Brian.
Who is it?
That's Uncle Brian. Hi, Uncle Brian.
What's he saying? What does he want?
He's saying he wants to come over the house and eat.
He wants to come eat. What's he going to eat? What are you going to make for him? What's he want? Ask him.
Chicken piece.
Chicken?
No, pizza.
Pizza? What else is he saying?
He's saying when Stewart's eat him up.
Stuart? Stuart Little?
Yeah.
Eats Brian up?
Yeah.
Because Stuart Little, he's bigger than Brian, isn't he? Than Uncle Brian. Are you going to talk to him anymore?
Yeah, he's still here.
You better talk to him. He's going to have to go soon.
Hi.
What do you say
Who?
to him?
He said he wants that pillow and eat that pillow.
Eat that pillow.
Yeah.
All right, bud. You say bye to him?
Yeah. Bye.
Who is it?
Bye.
Who was it?
It was Uncle Brian.
Uncle Brian. Yeah.